Are you ready to transform your financial future in 2025? Today, we're sharing 7 smart personal finance habits that can lead to wealth. First, let's talk about budgeting. A budget helps you track spending. It also allows you to save more effectively. Use apps or spreadsheets to create yours. Next, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. This makes saving effortless and consistent each month. Third, pay off high-interest debt. Identify and prioritize these debts. By eliminating them, you free up cash for savings and investments. Fourth, build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. This fund protects you from unexpected financial surprises. Fifth, educate yourself about investments. Understand the different types of investments. Start small, and gradually increase your knowledge and investment amounts. Sixth, diversify your income streams. Explore side gigs or passive income opportunities. This reduces reliance on one source of income. Lastly, review your financial goals regularly. Adjust and set new goals as needed. This keeps you focused and motivated on your path to wealth. For example, suppose you start budgeting. You track every penny spent. Over a year, you may save hundreds or even thousands. That investment into your savings can grow over time. In summary, adopting these 7 habits can significantly improve your finances in 2025. Budgeting, automating savings, reducing debt, and planning for emergencies are key. Don't wait. Start implementing these habits today and watch your wealth grow in the coming years. Subscribe for more personal finance tips.